Zetes is a global supply chain technology company. Our goal is to challenge the status quo and unlock greater business performance by increasing agility, visibility, and traceability in your connected supply chain. We always begin by understanding your goals, processes, and systems. Step by step, idea by idea, we create greater competitive advantage and potential. From production and transport to warehouse and in-store, Zetes solutions empower you and your team to increase capacity, improve agility, and avoid errors in your processes. We help you bridge silos and connect external stakeholders to streamline your processes and also provide you with invaluable insights in real time. Our solutions integrate with the latest technology, enabling you to rapidly adapt to market changes, so you are equipped for today and have a flexible platform for tomorrow's growth. Leading supply chain companies rely on us to empower their teams, deliver their customer promise, and improve their bottom line. You can too, with Zetes.